Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Shoaib with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make star delta starting maneuver connection wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker, contactor and overload, contactor 1, contactor 2, stop switch, start switch, neutral connection, phase connection, second phase connection, third phase connection, neutral connection input to DP MCB, phase connection input to DP MCB, three phase connection to contactor and overload, output connection from DP MCB to connect contactor 2 and contactor 1 and contactor and overload, output connection from contactor to connect start switch, another connection to connect contactor coil connection, output connection from contactor to overload, another connection from overload to connect start button, another connection to stop button, output connection from contactor to connect stop button, output connection from contactor 1 to connect contactor 2, another connection output from contactor 1 to again contactor 2, three phase connection output from overload for load, again three phase connection from contactor 1 for load and from contactor 2 for load. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.